Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This one's going to be packed full of settings and preferences that will serve as essentially tips and tricks that stay active after turning them on. We're going to lay the foundation for saving time and creating more accurate markups and measurements in Revu. Under the Edit menu, copy, paste, undo, redo, all of those popular ones. And then we have Snapshot also. So let's go to another sheet here. Let's say I want to pull one of these details. Maybe this elevation view of a sink, and I want to pull it onto another document. I can do that with my snapshot. G is going to be the shortcut for this one. All I do is draw a window around that view. It's going to blink blue and take a picture of it, and it actually puts it on my clipboard. So now I can go wherever I want, right click and paste, and it'll put that up there as basically a markup that I can move around on my sheet wherever I want to. I can paste that into a Word document or an email, whatever I want. It makes a real quick copy screenshot of that markup or of that content. If there are markups on there, those will also come through with that screenshot as well. So great tool for that. Edit PDF content. So this is where we can come in and cut content. So these are, don't tell anybody we showed you these, but a lot of people who are signing documents won't love that we're showing you this, but we can cut content. If I want to, let's just say I want to move this part of the detail a little bit to make room for something, I can draw a window around it. It's going to cut it from the sheet, put it on my clipboard, and then I can right click and paste, move that wherever I want that to be. And once it's moved, then I would flatten that. So right click on it, flatten, we'll press it back into the paper. So it's just like the rest of the document that we printed from CAD. Okay, edit, PDF content. We can also erase. So cut is going to put it on our clipboard. Erase is just going to completely remove it from the document. So as soon as I window that, it's gone. When I save it, I can't get it back. My only chance of getting this back is if I do an undo right away. I can bring that back. So be careful with that one, cutting or erasing content. And then also under here we have edit text. So if you have a vector-based drawing, you can come in. I'm going to actually go back to this one here. This one's vector-based. I'm going to go down to edit text, and I can come in here to this PDF and click into the text where I want to edit it. So you can add text in there as if you did it in the original document. Of course, check my spelling. So that one, that's your edit text under PDF content. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.